I'm learning how to build a PC from scratch. And when I say scratch, I mean I literally never even touched a PC component before. I don't know what any of the specs means, I have no brand loyalty, and I've been using the same laptop for the past 11 years, so yeah, I think I'm due for an upgrade. Our mission today is to finally go and get a sense of the hardware landscape. We're gonna go to Best Buy, check out what they have, actually touch something for the first time, and I'll give you my honest thoughts about it. Some of you may be thinking, and full disclosure, I would be thinking the same thing too if I was in your shoes. Some of you may be thinking, really? Really tech illiterate? Really? Not good with computers? Really?
Sure, Jan.
Yeah, I was never proficient in these STEM fields. My worst subjects in school were math and science. Shocking, I know. I disappointed so many people who needed help with their math homework. And I know PC building doesn't necessarily require those skills, but I just want to give you a sense of just how foreign this world is to me. And I have 20 years of gaming to catch up on, so better late than ever. All right, without further ado, if you're ready, I'm ready, let's go. Uh-oh. 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 Look what I found. Alright guys, here in Best Buy, I'm about to touch my very first PC part. Wow, jeez. Whoa. Nice. Looking at some AIOs, pretty cool. Got the Corsairs, NZXT, Kraken Elite. It's a pretty cool name. NZXT. Sounds like a K-pop group. 하나, 둘, 안녕하세요, NZXT입니다. Korean is terrible. I actually noticed they don't even have any air coolers here. Only AIOs. What do you guys think about that? Yeah, not very many options here if you want to go on the air cooling side. And here's the PSUs. Yeah, same thing with the case fans. Not too many options here. Just basically Corsair. And there's a couple of thermal takes there, but you know, looking for the Leanly TL wireless. Good luck. So apparently, this is like the worst time to build a PC. With the AA bubble, prices going through the roof. But I would argue, hear me out, I would argue that if this is your first time building a PC, this is the best time. Because, you know, these prices are your baseline. What? Oh, $10,000 for a stick of RAM? Okay, I don't know, sounds about right, sure, why not? So then, when the AI bubble goes down, collapses, all the prices go down for your next build, golden. You're like, wow, these prices are awesome. Huh? Makes sense? Think about it. Here we have the 40-inch Samsung G7 Odyssey. I like this one a lot too, but I don't know. It's not OLED, so I don't know. Is it a deal breaker? I don't know. 37-inch, 32-inch 4K OLED. Okay, here we go. Oh yeah, there we go. Oh yeah, there she is. 45-inch, 5K 2K OLED. Very nice. Actually, I don't know, seeing in person, am I crazy? I'm a little underwhelmed by its size. That's crazy. I know. I know she's coming out with the, what is this, 53, 52-incher this year, but it's VA panel, so I don't know if that's a deal breaker for you guys. I know, I always hear once you go OLED, you don't go back, but man, that's beautiful. Look at those blacks. Infinite contrast, very nice. Let me know what you guys think. OLED deal breaker? Let me know in the comments. That's what we call in the biz a call to action. Psychological. Also like and subscribe. I did not know that keyboards are this complicated. Polychroma, Aura, GPBT. What is this? What is this? Mako Raptor, Panda, Lynx, Fox HE, Fox. Okay. I just need this. Why is he getting? What is this? I don't understand this. I don't understand this. There's a Glorious. What is this? Okay, you can't even hear that. All right, let's figure this out. Which one's the best one? Okay. Yeah, I don't care. Here's the mouse. Steel Series. Oh, those are comfortable. Very nice. Cool. Yeah. It's a little big. Yeah, Steel Series. I've been looking at the Steel Series. I like the Steel Series. Here's some accessories. RGB core. I don't even know what is this. Is this just fans? Are these fans? Oh yeah, they're just fans. Here's your 8-bit controller. 8-bit. Is that a Japanese company? 8-bit. Sport fans, some thermal paste. What pattern do you guys use when you apply your thermals? The dot, the X, the blob, and a scrape? Let me know in the comments. All right, and here are your CPU options. You got the Intel, you got the AMD. Yeah, not too many options here. Let's see what they actually have. Let's see. 7600, 7700, 7800. They have a 9800 X3D. And then here are your motherboards. Not seeing a MSI Godlike. Do they have that in stock here? And here are your selections of GPUs: 5070, 5080, 57 Ti. Any AMD? Oh, okay, 97XT, nice. Yeah, not a huge selection, but if you want to get something, you could definitely buy it here. Oh yes, here we go. Back to the monitors. Oh, that 45-inch is beautiful. How much is this? Yes. Yeah, what do you guys think about the RGB in PC cases? Is it kind of overplayed now? Too much? I don't know. I'm a little older, so I'm probably just going to do the fans, the cables, motherboard, RAM stick, RGB, PC case, 8.8-inch screen, just the bare minimum. Quick rundown of my parts list that I'm thinking about. Probably AMD Ryzen, NVIDIA, AMD GPU. I'm gonna go with, right now my heart's in AMD. I don't know. I'm just not a big fan of NVIDIA. And then RAM. Listen, I'm building a PC for not only AAA gaming but also Microsoft Flight Simulator. So RAM, I hear, is really important for that, and they recommend 64 gigabytes. So yeah, I'll be selling kidney for the RAM, and then probably 2 terabytes. Probably gonna go with AIO, 1000-watt PSU. But I don't know. I got 4 months to go, so things can change. We'll see. Stay tuned. All right, guys, that was my trip to Best Buy. Had a lot of fun. Really enjoyed my time here. Saw a lot of cool things. Really good learning experience, and very excited to continue this journey and finally build that first PC.